In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Draw.io. If you're working on a diagram and need to update the wording, change the style, or make the text easier to read, Draw.io gives you several built-in formatting options right inside the editor. The process is simple once you know where to look. To begin, go into your diagram and find the text box or the shape that contains the text you want to change. Click to select it first. This is important because Draw.io only shows the relevant text formatting tools when the correct object is selected. If your text is inside a shape, selecting that shape will let you work directly with the text it contains. Once you've selected it, highlight the full text or just the specific part you want to edit. After that, look over to the Format panel on the right-hand side. This panel is where most of your text editing controls will appear, and it gives you options specifically for the selected text. Under the font section, you'll find a wide range of tools to customize how your text looks. You can change the heading style and font style, and you also have common formatting controls like bold, italic, underline, and strike through. If you need to adjust readability, you can change the font size and alignment. There are also options for subscript and superscript, which can be useful for technical diagrams or notation. You'll also see tools for creating lists or bullets, as well as controls to increase or decrease indent. If the text has too many changes and you want to start fresh, you can use clear formatting to remove the applied styles. There is also an HTML option available, which can be helpful if you're working with more advanced text formatting. Just below that, in the font color section, you can customize the appearance even further. This is where you can change the font color, add or modify the background color behind the text, and adjust the line height for better spacing. These settings are especially useful when you're trying to make labels stand out or fit neatly inside a diagram element. As you make these changes, keep an eye on the diagram so you can immediately see how the text looks in context. That helps you make sure the formatting is both readable and visually consistent with the rest of your design. And that's it. That's how to edit text on Draw.io. Once you know where the Format panel is and how to use the text options, making updates becomes quick and